So cycling with Trina on a nice little cycling skirt to the Stover Canal Country Park. Hasn't had that much water in it since they emptied it in the 1800s, I don't think. It's been raining so hard. So I'll stop by here. You can see the granite tramway, and they're the trucks that used to come down with the granite from Dartmoor onto the canal boats in there, and obviously they were lifted on by that crane. It's been raining so hard of late. Don't think we've had this much water in the canal for a couple of 100 years. Not that I remember, I'm not that old. But that's the granite tramway. You can see the amount of water in it now. This is just from recent rainfall. So, yeah. The Stover Canal Country Park in Newton Abbot. Very nice. Now, let's get back to my bike, carry on with the ride.